Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to install and set up MySQL in your PC. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and visit the official MySQL website at mysql.com. On the homepage, hover over the Downloads tab and select MySQL Community Downloads. Step 2. Click on MySQL Installer for Windows or choose the installer for your operating system. Select the appropriate installer package and click Download. If you are using Windows, the web installer is a lightweight option that downloads components as needed. Step 3. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and click Run. Choose Full Setup to install MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and other useful tools, or choose Custom to install the required MySQL tools manually. Click Next and follow the prompts to continue the installation. Click on Execute. It may take time to execute. Step 4. During the installation, you'll be asked to configure MySQL. Set your preferred authentication method. Create a strong root password, and optionally add a MySQL user account. Be sure to remember your root password, as you'll need it to log in later. We have to complete all steps. Click on Next. Then, Next. Then, click on Execute and wait for the execution. After execution, click on Finish. Next. Finish. Step 5. When the setup is finished, open MySQL Workbench. Log in using your root username and the password you just created. Now, MySQL Server is installed and ready to use in your PC. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.